But I think you are not attending classes also regularly because you are such a busy lady.
Not really, sir.
God bless.
Uh,
Doesn't matter.
yeah.
See, what is your full name, please?
Srujana Mellam, sir. Srujana.
Sujana. Sujana.
Sru. No, sir. Srujana. SRU.
Acha, acha.
Srujana.
Srujana.
Ha, right.
What is the meaning of Srujana?
It's a creativity, sir.
You are from which state?
I'm from Telangana state. Mother
Oh,
tongue is Telugu.
Telugu. Acha,
Yeah. Yeah.
manchidandi. Very good.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
please tell us about yourself.
Sir.
1
My
minute.
name.
Am I recording? Yeah, it's recorded. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good
My
evening.
name is Srujana. Currently, I'm working for Bank of Baroda. Since 6 years, I'm in Bank of Baroda. Initially, I was working for a new branch. I was a single officer in that branch. And in 4 years, I have done a business of 60 crores in that branch, sir. Later, I have transferred to another branch, wherein I was working as a credit officer. And last year, and coming
No,
to my certificate.
suddenly internet got cut, Last year you started, then internet got cut.
Last year I have been promoted as manager scale 2, sir.
Good, congrats. Very happy.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good. So you have studied JAB, CAB?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling, sir. I certifications have done my JIB, and I've also completed AML and KYC certification from IIBF. Uh, Actually,
No.
and my
Can you please tell me what is that AML and?
KYC, anti money laundering, and know your
Okay.
customer certification from IIBF.
Mm.
I have also finished 2 certificates from NISM, sir. That is mutual funds and depository thing. But it was when I was doing my post graduation program, and that NISM certificates have got an expiry date also. So I don't think I can tell those
Please
2 certificates.
do not tell about that.
Yeah. That's true, sir. So
Don't tell.
my education is I've done my engineering. Then I have joined this post graduation programming for Manipal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Engineering in which subject? That also you should tell.
Okay.
Engineering,
Okay.
which subject?
In electrical and electronics engineering, sir.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice. You are in Telangana
Yes, sir.
and you are married.
Yes, sir.
Is your husband also working in bank?
Yes, sir. Yeah. No, sir. No, sir.
No.
No. One
No.
person working is only tough, sir.
No. Why were you about to say yes for that?
I was about to say yes for that. He is also in Hyderabad. I wanted to say tell yes for that.
Oh. And
Yeah.
he is working for IT company?
Yeah, he's working for L&T Infotech, sir.
Excellent. First class. So you are blessed with kids or?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am blessed with kids. Yeah.
Congrats. How
Yeah.
many boys and girls?
Uh, One boy and one girl, sir.
One boy and girl, what is their age?
uh, uh, Boy is like now he's in 4th standard, sir.
Arey bhai, bada bhai.
Huh. And girl is like she's a small, sir. She's a small kid.
Achha, good.
Yeah.
Very good. Who will take care of the kids if you are going to be
We
posted
stay
in
in joint. We stay in
stay?
joint family, sir. My in-laws are also with us, and my co-sister, brother-in-law, we all are together. We are in a
This
joint family.
this job involves posting anywhere in India.
Yes, sir.
Mostly they will give you in Telangana. Don't
Yeah.
worry. But
Yes,
in
sir.
question they will ask like this. So
Yes,
are
sir.
you willing to be posted anywhere in
Yes,
India?
sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready to go anywhere in India.
Supposing you are posted to Thiruvananthapuram,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
how will you manage?
I can manage it, sir. My mother-in-law would be coming with me, and she would be staying with me probably. So with my kids, I would manage there, sir. Or
Should
else my
be
husband is also working like from work from home. So even he has chance of joining me, sir.
very good. L&T,
Infotech.
supposing you are you are posted in Chennai, is it good for you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine anywhere, sir.
Anywhere, fine,
Yes.
anywhere. Very happy. Can you please elaborate about AML KYC certification?
AML KYC is anti-money laundering and know your customers, sir. Basically, know your customers, we have got 4 stages. That is customer acceptance policy, customer identification policy, transaction maintenance, risk management. These 4 are the things which we actually look in when dealing with KYC. And in anti-money laundering also, like, finding out where the illicit money is coming and how it is layered into the economy, and how as a banker we have to identify and to whom we have to report these things. So this is basically about all these things, sir.
Bank of Baroda.
Yes, sir.
Have you received instructions regarding exchange of 2000 rupees denomination notes?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the formalities to be complied with for exchange of currencies?
Sir, to be very frank, today I have not. I not go to office, sir. I not see
You
the.
did not attend the office.
Yeah. So still,
But I
because the
think
exchange is from tomorrow.
Achha.
It is from 23rd May. It starts from tomorrow.
So, but I think your bank is insisting on some form being filled in or not?
I think yes, sir. Because our bank is like a compliance part. It's more, sir. In Bank of Baroda, compliance is like.
Do you mean to say State Bank is not complying?
No, sir. It's not like that. But it's not like that.
No. Actually, what they have said, up to 20,000 rupees, you can take cash and give exchange notes for that. It
Yes,
seems
sir.
towards helping the banks. In Nasik, they have started printing 500 rupees notes, more fresh ones, so that it can reach the bank branches and it can be distributed also. That's okay. Now, my question is very interesting question. Now, there is not going to be any restriction from tomorrow. I think you will find a big queue in your office.
Yes,
because the moneyed fellows will be giving 10 notes to the poor fellows, and they will be asked to stand in queue for long, big queues.
Yes,
So
sir.
what do you think will happen? How many people are working in your office?
Sir, basically my branch is a scale 3 branch, sir. So we have 4 officers and 3 clerical staff also is there. So I think we can manage the crowd. Of course, the crowd would be more, sir. But if the crowd is more, like if it is more than 300 to 500 vouchers, it is better that we opt for 2, like, cashier position. Like we have only 1 cabin. But
No
if it is.
voucher. No voucher will be there. Mostly, I think you also will not be taking any form and all that. Simply exchange only.
Okay.
Then in which case receiving cash. But what are the problems you anticipate in government deciding like this, going for exchange of denomination notes without any supporting document? Is it good or bad from the angle of society, from the angle of bank? I think this is a group discussion topic. It is not easy to answer this. It is not easy. In my view, I think we have Mr. Madhusudan. Madhusudan, please tell me what is your view regarding this?
Sorry, sir. I missed that last point. Can you just repeat?
No. I just said this 2000 rupees notes, 10 notes to be exchanged without any form or any restriction by the banks. That's what State Bank said. Mostly others also may follow. Is it a good move or a bad move from the angle of society, from the angle of bank, whatever it is? Ab bataiye.
So one thing for say withdrawal of this 2000 currency, right? That is good for the society anyways, because the intention was to curb the black money.
But then now when they are going to allow you to exchange freely, do you think it will allow curbing the black money?
Yeah, that is a loophole. That is some of the point that that is something which is not being which is not good actually in a way. The reason, like if I want to,
this will only result in the moneyed persons. So people have in hundreds of crores, they will give
Correct.
10 notes to these people,
Correct.
have their representative watching these people and give them 100 rupees or 200 rupees in exchange, and then get it done like this if necessary. Or there are other possibilities I should not tell you openly. The branch managers may be compelled to receive it by giving certain offers.
Agreed, sir. So the same thing that happened in a demonetization at a certain point of time, eventually this was result into the same thing. And I agree to your first point as well, wherein the big corporates who is having a good amount of 2,000 rupees.
Corporate may not be having monies like this.
No, not corporates, but the person who is having a black money in ultimately who's using it in the business.
It is only
individuals.
It is only the industrialist or the cine actors, cine producers, politicians. They only have it, and government is facilitating them to get it done. I don't know why. What is the big advantage in this? Who has given this suggestion? It's a big thing to be discussed. Anyhow, what is your view? Our
Srijana, sir.
Srijana. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, you can argue like this. So you can say like this, sir, from the angle of as a bank employee, for me, it is good only because there is no question of any voucher, challan and all that. And only at the cashier counter, we have to get it exchanged. So maybe we will have 1 or 2 extra cashiers to see that it is done. But only problem is while receiving these 2,000 rupees notes, we have to ensure that all these are genuine notes. For that, of course, we have to have our, what mechanism you have to verify whether it is genuine note? Madam. Srijana, madam. What mechanism do you have to verify it is a genuine note? Why are you keeping silent?
Hello?
Srijana, tell me.
Sir, sorry, I not get you, sir. I think there was network issue.
There was network issue. My question was, what is the way by which bank you can identify a fake note?
So first thing is we check it in this UV rays, sir, which we have a separate machine for that in which we check it. And we even in the cash dispensing machine, cash counting machine also, the fake notes come out automatically. Then we can also check with that various things, that blue line in the
texture. From the texture
yes,
of the note and all that. Good.
Yes,
that is correct. But I don't know. There was a report in WhatsApp. We can't believe WhatsApp and all nowadays. There was a report in WhatsApp stating that some big terrorist man or somebody in Pakistan has died after hearing the news of the withdrawal of 2,000 rupees notes, possibly because he was engaged in printing of 2,000 rupees notes.
Okay.
Pata nahi, which is true, which is not true, nobody knows.
Yes, sir.
Good. So you are willing to be posted anywhere. You are a very dynamic. Are you a dynamic person?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, substantiate.
Sir, I am actually, the first thing is I am ready to go to any place, sir. And at the same time, I like interacting with people, and I have got more of management skills, getting business to the branch or getting business to the bank, interacting with them, cross-selling with them, and adaptability, sir. I get adapted to things very easily and mingle with people also soon. So I would say I am a dynamic person, sir.
Your bank is taking all people on contract, marketing people on contract, thinking that you people are not dynamic. Then how is that system working now?
No, sir, it is not actually because of we not working. The thing is, bank want to generate income from all the sources. Apart from the core banking sources, it also want to get income from the marketing and other sort of incomes, which will also help in growth of the company. So that is the reason it is recruiting more of other people for cross-selling things.
Do you have marketing people now working, or are they leaving? I heard many of them are leaving. I don't know. What is the position?
No, sir, not really, sir. There are many people, sir. There are many people hired for that, and even a few like apart from generalist officers, they are recruiting specially marketing people who are for they work for this car marketing team. There's a special car marketing team, vehicle loans marketing team. So they basically go and they interact with all the car dealer people, and they themselves give us the leads. So that's how
Okay,
it's working, sir.
good.
Yeah.
Now, what is your knowledge regarding documentation? Say loan documents.
Yes, sir.
You are conversant with that?
Yes, sir.
For how long a DPN is valid?
For 3 years, sir. From 3 years from the
For
date of
how,
accord.
for how long a mortgage is valid?
For 12 years, sir.
Good, very good. So what are the methodologies for recovering of NPAs secured
So
by house property?
Okay. There are several methods, sir. First thing is, if it has become NPA, first thing we'll check for if the customer has given any post-dated checks. We check for that, and if possible, we go for NI Act 138. That is one thing, sir. And second thing is, if the amount is less than like 20 lakhs, usually DRT or DRAT or Lok Adalat, wherein two people like a banker and the customer would fix it amicably. If that is also not possible, then we
DRT is not going to be solved within now.
Sir, that is Lok Adalat, sir.
No,
Lok Adalat.
Yeah, DRT, there are cases from my days, 2001, I retired. Even now cases are pending.
Yes, I was telling about Lok Adalat, wherein the two parties come together, negotiate, and try to fix it amicably. Next option.
Are you aware of, or do you have experience regarding Lok Adalat? Unfortunately, I have not had any. Have you had any? You have had no exposure.
I don't have exposure. I just know the methodologies, Lok Adalat, DRT, then SURFACE Act. So these are all the recovery technologies which we actually use in the bank, sir.
Good. So, what is IBC?
IBC is Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, sir. This is basically formed in 2016. I think someone is talking.
Nobody is talking. No, yes, somebody is talking. Yeah, yeah. my wife and daughter, they are talking.
Okay. I thought it was talking.
No.
So, okay.
Yeah, tell me.
So IBC is Insolvency Bankruptcy Code, sir. Basically, this is. They have bought it for centralizing the things. Initially, there were a lot of places wherein the corporate related things, corporate bad loans used to take care. But after IBC has occurred, first thing is recovery rate is faster. Recovery rate is more. Even the tag time is also decreased.
Good. Can you please tell me about the famous frauds that have taken place in banking circle?
Frauds.
I have posted a video. I have posted a video also for that. You are not looking into the videos. In fact, I have included your federal, central bank also in that.
Okay.
Bank frauds, federal bank, federal bank. It's not that fraud is in federal bank. Yeah, 1 minute. In a decade, Vijay Mallya fraud case, PNB scam, and ABG shipyard fraud case are some of the biggest scams that have hit in the past few years. The Central Bureau of Investigation this week. That is, this is reported. Now,
As
kindly,
on December 20,
kindly watch this video afterwards. The case,
Redmi A2 series வெறும் 5999 முதல் தொடங்குகிறது.
the cases given therein are, say, ABG Shipyard, Vijay Mallya, then Nirav Modi, like that. So many cases are there. Please go through that. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure,
That,
sir.
very nice. Otherwise, you seem to be having a fair knowledge of what is happening. Where is our Prime Minister today?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I have to check it in the status. I saw in the status. I'm sorry, sir. I don't know.
Don't know. What is the new? What is the news about UPI and Japan?
UPI and Japan.
It seems Japan is willing to join UPI.
Yes, sir. It is willing to join India for UPI system. Report true, sir.
Yeah. That is the thing. That is the news about that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, who is Bhupender Yadav?
Oh, 1 minute, sir. I know him. Bhupender. He's a politician, like cabinet minister for labor and employment, sir.
He is a union minister. I don't know
Yeah.
which ministry.
Labor
Madhusudan,
and
you know?
employment, sir. Labor and employment.
Here it is given, Bhupender Yadav inaugurates Center of Excellence of Sustainable Land Management at Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education in Dehradun, in a significant steps towards combating land degradation. I don't think it will be labor. It must be something else. Madhusudan is minister for what? Madhusudan.
Yeah, so in Google they have given it as Minister of Labor and Employment, Environment, Forest and Climate Change in Government of India.
Excellent. Thank you. That's good. So you are right in this question also.
Yes,
good.
Sir.
Very happy. Very, very happy.
Thank you.
Then Amit Shah lays foundation stone on National Coastal Academy of Coastal Policing Campus in Dwaraka. Where is Dwaraka? Telugu అమ్మాయిలకు
sir,
పూరా ఇండియా తెలీదు.
Gujarat, sir.
Telsu,
sir. Gujarat, sir.
Who is the Japan Prime Minister?
Oh my God. Out of India, I don't know, sir.
Out of portion topic. Very
yes,
good. Doesn't. What is the news about public sector banks and the profits they have made?
I can tell about profits of Central Bank of India and Bank of Baroda, sir. I'm prepared for that both.
Public sector banks have crossed 1 lakh crore mark.
Okay.
1 lakh crore mark they have crossed. Okay. Then have you heard, recently this term was in the news quite often, TCS.
Yes, sir. TCS what? Company, yeah.
Not TCS company. TCS on LRS transactions. What is that?
Okay. LRS is land regularization scheme. That
no,
only, sir? No. Okay.
Madhusudan, what is LRS?
Foreign remittance of LRS.
It's liberalized remittance scheme.
Liberalized
remittance. Oh, yeah. Yes,
there the news is no TCS on LRS transactions up to ₹7 lakh via international debit or credit cards.
Okay.
From July 1, 2023. Not now.
Okay.
Then
up to 7 lakhs, there is no limit.
No TCS, no tax collected at source.
Okay.
So what is TCS? Sorry.
TCS means tax collected at source.
Okay,
like like in the case of house property rents, where in a house owner gets more than 2,40,000 as yearly rent. Correct. The tenant is supposed to deduct TCS, tax deducted at source.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
But we are not doing it, but that is to be done. Then I am just looking into latest news so that our, what is her name?
Srujana, sir.
Srujana will not know. That is right. Which games are you interested, Sujana? Sports.
Sir, sports, I'm a badminton player, sir. From
Good.
Bank of Baroda also, I've represented Telangana state once, and I was runner-up for that, sir.
Excellent. Who is Prakash Padukone?
Deepika Padukone.
What? It's very relevant news.
Yes, sir. He's Indian badminton player, sir.
Very good.
Prakash Padukone. Yeah.
Who is Deepika Padukone?
Daughter of Prakash Padukone.
Oh, and that alone will not do. You should say she is also an actress.
Okay.
That's what it is. Otherwise, nice. You have been answering very, very well. No problem. I will give you, should I give liberalized mark, liberalized remittance system or controlled remittance system? I will give you 9 out of 10. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Prepare very much, and then attend the interview with confidence. You will be clearing first round, no problem. Second round, when we go, we will see some more tightness has to be done in terms of other things.
I'm scared about GD, sir, because I am not prepared for GD.
GD, I will. If you want, you can join my. But you are talking very well in English, no problem.
Okay.
No, but I suggest.
I'm not. It's not about the language, sir. It's about the points which I have to tell.
Do one thing. Do one thing
Yeah.
right now. If you are confident of success in this preliminary round, please go to www.groupdiscussionideas.com.
Okay.
There they are giving you everyday topic.
Okay.
Please go through them, and then
Okay, sir.
based on that you can easily participate well.
Okay, sir.
But recently they have asked questions like, say, sports being unifying force in the country. In one South Indian Bank interview for probationary officers, they asked sports being tool for avoiding diversity or unity in the country, something like that. And in fact, 1 minute, I have those questions with me. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
GD topics. For GD topics, that will be separately, we will handle for the main class. Yeah. I think it must be there. Even I would have posted. It's not coming. Yeah. It is coming. See, these topics, anyone may come for you. Work-life balance is a myth. Women or better multitaskers, agree or disagree? Can failures teach you important lessons in life? Change is the only constant thing in life. Happiness versus success. Smart work versus hard work with accuracy. This is also a latest topic.
Okay.
Social media, a boon or bane for society? Will Beti Bachao, Beti Padao abolish orthodox mindset? Crime against women, increasing youth suicides, substance abuse in India? Is Startup India boosting entrepreneurship? Nandri, Vanakkam. Thank you. Best wishes.
Sir, one small thing, sir.
Yeah.
In GD round, when they give a topic, we have to be like concerned to either yes or no, but we should not give a mixed answer, right?
No.
Okay.
It will be either yes or no. We will have further detailed discussions on this later on after you are coming. There won't be many candidates. There may be a group of 5 or 6 of you here. We can do a wonderful job. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir.